So these days, I'm participating in lots of different competitions or going to multiple events. And the thing is that the final competition or one of the bigger events, they are normally hosted in a large complex. And now, well, this complex is pretty big. Like I'm talking thousands of acres. Kind of like a university campus where it's pretty easy to get lost in. And now, to give a little bit of a better visual, let me just label it. Because within this complex, there's multiple different buildings. Like you have your lotion building, you have your hand sanitizer building right there, you have your peachy building, you have your hand cream building right there, and you have your lip balm building, let's say, right there, right? So now, these buildings here don't really have much of a correlation. And the thing is that there's different events at each building. Like one event is here, one event is here, another event is here, a different one's here, and another event is over here. And if you are someone like me that has an event in all of these different buildings, I only have a 5-minute gap to get from point A to point B. And is it really feasible going from all the way over here to there? Well, it is, unless you are like me, which is someone who is poor in reading the physical map, and I just get lost, especially in the rain. So I'm now worried about the time. Where am I going? Is this the right direction? Oh no, I'm supposed to go this way. Just trying to find my building so that I'm not late for my exam or my competition or the event. So now this is where my unique thought comes into play. How about whenever you go to the check-in counter for your new competition or the event, they could hand you the physical map, but they could also give you exact coordinates of each and every building. So that way I can just pull out my smartphone, put in the coordinates, 49 degrees north, 59 degrees west. Okay, that's the Peachy building. Perfect. I'm there within 2 minutes, and I can focus more on what I'm supposed to do there than being frustrated or tensed up by the question, am I in the right building or is this the right place to go? So, event coordinators, if you're listening to me today, kindly consider maybe adding this in so that way you could be helping lots of students, including myself, find their events at the different buildings much easier and much faster. Anyways, if you haven't guessed it already, welcome to the Perspective Building Workshop, specialized for you so you can retrieve your unique thought by just monitoring your day-to-day surroundings. So allow me to tell you how I got my unique thought this week. And if I was able to get my unique thought by just going to a competition, I'm sure you could too. So make sure to keep your eyes and your mind wide open and give it a shot. I know you'll do great. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. See you again next time. Bye!